Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you and to avoid mistakes. Simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Go to search bar and type cmd, then click here to open it. Now you will get this command in the description below. Just copy it and paste it here to avoid mistakes and hit enter to execute it. Now paste this command and hit enter. Okay, now we are going to move to the next step. And let's restart the system. You don't need to restart your system. We are going to execute this second step now. Okay, now again go to search bar and type your settings, click here to open it, then select network and internet. Now scroll down and click on advanced network settings, then select network reset and click on reset now. Select yes. Okay, again try to restart your system. It may solve your problem. If not, just go to search bar and type device manager, click here to open it. It will open a new window, device manager, then expand network adapter. Now uninstall it and simply close this window and again restart your system. Now the next step is very important. Go to search bar and type control panel, click here and then click on network and internet, select network and sharing center and click on your internet connection status. Now go to properties and select IPv4, that is Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties and check this option and type these DNS server addresses here and click on OK. Then close this Windows. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.